RJGvlog.
Hey guys, it's shit, what are we called?
Doesn't matter anymore.
We are
RJG.
That does ring a bell.
Oh, it rings my bell. In the last couple of weeks, we've just been doing A levels basically.
Yeah.
We've had exams. You've had geography. You've had DT. You've had DT.
Yeah, man.
I've had lit. Language.
We have actually keyed down on A levels this week. Believe it or not.
We tried.
And not vlogged.
No
Yeah,
vlogs.
that's basically our reason for not
But
vlogging.
shitloads of stuff has happened though, hasn't it? Since we last actually spoke to you guys.
There's like a boat in the sea. Okay, so this boat is, I think it's a Spanish, I forget the name.
No, it's Italian. It's Italian.
No, you're right, Italian. It's an Italian cruise ship, and basically it's run aground and it's tipped over on its side, and yeah, so that's not good. The weird thing is, there's loads of different stories coming out, and the captain himself, who got off the boat. Okay, now this is a huge thing. Okay, because the captain should never leave the boat.
Captain should go down with the ship.
Yeah. Or until if there's no he is always the last man off. Always. That's a rule.
Yeah.
That's why he's been arrested, I
And
believe.
left on rule. Yeah, he's been charged actually.
Yeah.
Or was being charged.
Yeah. So he says the reason why he he says he fell accidentally into a lifeboat.
Yeah, which is bullshit.
I accidentally fell into a little girl.
Wow.
It wasn't rape. Okay? It wasn't. I promise. I told them that.
Yes. Cut it on that. Shut up. The idea was the captain was gonna go near to this island off the coast of where they were touring around, cruising around, and say hi to his mate, like kind of wave at him as they drove.
He was showing off
as they sailed past in this massive ship, and he was showing off to the crew. And like you saw on the picture, like the usual route, which is dead between the island and the shore. And he went 1 year. He went round and made it, like just because there's a bit of a detour nearer to the island. But this time he did it, and he just fucked shit up.
He just hit
a coral reef. He hit a coral reef and just tore a hole in the side of this massive cruiser. And you just saw it just.
So these I think it's like 5, 6 people are dead. 11 are dead. 11 confirmed dead, and there's 20,
missing.
25, 26 following.
26 missing.
They're missing.
About 12.
And not no, it's obviously that's very important, but he's also destroyed like a whole coral reef, which is a big deal because coral reefs are a declining habitat.
And actually, I love coral.
Yeah, also that ship is pretty valuable.
Yeah, that ship's worth what's 512
So basically, this guy is a first class twat. I'm vibrating now.
I'm vibrating as well.
1 second.
I'm not, because
I've just declined Paul North.
Shout out to Paul North, love you man.
Yeah.
Shout out, cool.
What?
What? Said shout out, cool. Oh, here we go.
Go on, loudspeaker.
Hi man. Wait a second, 1 second. Hi man. I'm very sorry I hung up on you. Alright lads, I pulled out my pocket but I just kind of pressed the red button. Yep. Paul, we are in the middle of a vlog talking to our subscribers, so do you just like say hello?
Hey.
Hello, hey. Yeah man, is there anything you want to tell our subscribers? Say it now.
Subscribe to book.
RJG, legends, and you should carry on watching their show because it's hilarious.
Aww.
Thanks Paul.
Thanks Paul.
I love you, Paul.
We do love you. We do love you.
I love you and your meat counter.
Fish counter.
Fish counter.
I've got another thing to say as well, is George, you still got my code.
I have got your code, and I'm going to drop it round as soon as I've got a free second.
Fair.
Oh, that's right. Well, we will ring you after we finish this video.
Alright, so.
Oh boy.
Oh,
See you man.
See you man.
Love you.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Ah, bye.
Hey Paul, love you.
Smooches.
Smooches.
So basically guys, in recent this week actually, earlier on this week, no, what on about? Last week. Basically this week. There were some weird noises apparently happened around the whole.
Well, the thing is, they started in September, but they haven't really.
Yeah,
there's not been much hype about them, I guess.
And they haven't gone anywhere.
Yeah, like from America, from Australia, from Russia, they're all being heard the same noise. It sounds really mechanical, doesn't it? It's like
if you can imagine the noise in War of the Worlds. You can imagine.
That
smells like weed. That actually smells like weed.
Smells like poo.
If you can imagine War of the Worlds, the noise that the tripods make, it sounds exactly like.
It's like. Well, I tell you what. Let's have a go. You make the noise. I make the noise. You make the noise. Let's see what. There's no impression of it.
My interpretation of this noise. Go on, Jake, you must have it, come on. So let's just put them all together. 3, 2, 1.
So anyway, yeah. So these sounds are starting in September, around that mark, and we've only just recently found out about them again.
Oh, pretty trippy.
Yeah, a bit weird. Here's a sound clip of them.
The only problem I have with this story is that at the end of the day, I should have urged you to be numbers. You will die in your sleep though.
I'm gonna get this back.
Yeah, I don't get mad, I get even. And I get Ross. In the neck. In the neck. The problem I have with the sounds thing is, is that basically, shut up. It's still a sound. And no one has ever been hurt by a sound.
Good point.
No, until...
Like, people are getting scared, but I even got tripped out.
People get scared by it, but then at the end of the day, they're in Moscow and it's a noise. It's not like
it's not in Moscow. They're in nearly everywhere.
It's not like it's a wildfire.
I must admit, George's point of views and things do kind of simmer me down a bit. It's like Ross, it's just imagine like.
Phlegm. It annoys me when people say it's harp.
Yeah.
That pisses me off. People, it's a weather research unit basically. It means we can. That in the future,
millions of watts of energy just stored in these.
It means we might be able to control the weather.
Yeah.
In the future.
And they have, but only to a small radius.
Yeah, they see clouds and stuff like that.
So harp is a good thing. So stop going on about how it's making weird noises because a harp makes one phenomenon and that's weird cloud shapes and they look amazing.
It doesn't have speaking.
I went into school today, revised for my lit all day, had a lit exam, had to clean the maths block.
Maths block? Okay, it's fun. You know it.
Oh my god.
Your face is so big.
Really long.
Big it is.
Oh shit, yeah it is! It is gay! Oh my god! It is gay! Oh, what was I doing earlier? Is that why all the teachers are having sex with each other and all men?
Why are you here?
Because I don't have any friends and I'm paying you to keep me on the sofa.
Tuesday.
Thanks for 550 subscribers.
That's such a minor.
Oh,
thank you.
I'm on 900. Yeah, because you're sold out. Yeah, immigrants. Guys, press that link up there. We're starting a new channel again. Not a new channel. A new channel. It's called RJG Gaming, and that's what it is. It's us three. One of us playing a game and then us two commentating over the game.
Or it could just be one of us commentating.
Or it can just be clips of us just being twats.
Yeah, so anything goes. We'll stick it up on there. You can watch it. You can't watch it. You can, you know.
You don't have to. It's not obligatory.
Yeah, it may be sad, but I don't have anything else to do because I don't revise. So, okay, so what are we going to do about that, hey?
It's going to kill you now.
Yeah, Dave, we can do about that. I know you bullied me in high school, but we can do about it, yeah?
I'm going to kill you now.
Yeah? Yeah?
I'm going to kill your nan.
Yeah? Yeah? Seriously, Dave was really scary though.
So guys,
I can laugh that off.
This has actually been, this time's actually been RJG. Like, I think it has. It's actually been RJG.
That's so cool.
Guys, this has been RJG.
Yeah, it has.
It's just
It has. Look. And when I wear socks, I have to dry wipe them because they get really
Dry wipe. Isn't that a type of pen? For boards. Dry wipe pen. It's not used to describe the condition of socks.
Yeah, but anyway, so what I'm trying to get at is I need someone to wash my clothes. See you later, guys.